Good morning, I'm Mrs. Sutherland, and I teach the Project Lead the Way biomedical science classes in the Career Technology Education Department. And my student of the month is Carly Turner. And as you've heard everybody kind of explaining the different characteristics for picking student of the month, there are just so many ways we can pick them, and it didn't matter which way I was looking, I always had a group, which is a good problem to have, and I think most of us share that good problem to have, but we're only allowed to pick one. So I was like, well, how am I going to differentiate between all these students? Because the characteristics that I'm going to explain that I got my group, Carly was in this group the whole time. Very gifted student, knows the content area well. Very good discipline habits in terms of balancing classwork and extracurriculars, getting the job done. Pushing herself, taking very rigorous courses. Those are all things that all of my students, that this group of students, and I was like, how am I going to differentiate? So I'm filling out college applications for my seniors, and I was looking at that list on Common Apps that they ask us to look at of creative thought and disciplined habits and academic integrity and reaction to setbacks. And those, again, narrowed down my pool, and Carly was definitely in there. Her projects are always very creative when she works in groups. Her academic integrity is impeccable, and she definitely has disciplined habits that keeps everything balanced, and so assignments are on time, and the quality of the assignments and the depth of the assignments are all there. And then I'm like, I still have a group. How am I going to distinguish? So I went to those 21st century skills, which the Career Technology Education Department is really supposed to be pushing, and that collaborative effort and critical thinking is where Carly finally rose above the rest of them. She is my quiet giant. She is not very talkative, but she's very gifted. And no matter what group I put her with, which group of students I put them with, because I'm constantly mixing them up, Carly brings her all to the group. It doesn't matter if somebody's more gifted than her, she's still pushing herself to bring her all. If somebody is less gifted than her, she pushes to bring her all and brings them up with her. So those are the reasons why that collaborative effort and sharing with others, and ability to apply the things we do in class to new situations, and they do stand out above the rest. So thank you very much.